How to use Wayfair promo codes. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the top you will see the search box. Over there type in Wayfair promo code and search for it. Firstly, I'm going to show you how can you get Wayfair promo code. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Wayfair. So go ahead and open any of these. I'm going to open this one, Time Magazine. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. 10% coupon, 50% offer, $1,000 offer, and many more. Get towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just click on Show Coupon. So here is the code. You can click on Copy, then click on View Discount at Wayfair. You will be directed to the official website of Wayfair. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to the checkout page. While in the checkout page, you'll find this section of promo code. Over there, you'll need to paste the code and click on Confirm Order. With that, your code will be redeemed. Well, this way you can easily use your Wayfair promo code. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.